The Nike Structure 26 Realtree brings a fresh visual update to one of Nike's most reliable stability running shoes. Instead of changing the performance formula, Nike adds an outdoor-inspired aesthetic while keeping the structure line's trusted support and comfort. The upper uses breathable engineered mesh in black and dark smoke gray, offering a clean and composed look for daily runs. Subtle overlays provide stability without feeling bulky, while metallic dark gray swooshes blend naturally into the design. The biggest standout is the midsole, where Nike React cushioning is wrapped in a Realtree camo finish, adding texture and personality without going over the top. Anthracite details around the heel help balance the overall appearance. Underfoot, durable segmented rubber delivers dependable traction for everyday mileage. Reflective accents are placed thoughtfully for added visibility in low light. The Nike Structure 26 Realtree is set to release in spring 2026, priced at $145, and will be available through Nike.com and select retailers.